Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today, what opportunities we find. This market is very sketchy, going up and down like crazy. You know, it's like a roller coaster. But hey, at the end, we cannot do much than to watch the price action and see what we want to do with it. So as I was telling Marie that I'm gonna be very careful today because I have 2 days where I have been misbehaving, taking trades on a poor conditions. Or in poor conditions. So I'm just gonna wait and see what we do. And yeah, that's it for me right now. How are you doing, Marie?
I am doing well. Davey,
Nice.
how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
It's cold outside.
Yeah, it's a little bit too cold outside, which is demanding way more energy to keep our body warm up. And yeah, but this is good. This is Canada, you know, we love Canada, so that's it. So don't say more than that.
Good job.
So
Well
yeah,
said.
and yeah, for sure, like doing good. Marie told me that we could have FOMC minutes or no, meetings.
The meeting's on right now.
Begin
Yeah.
today. I think it lasts about 3 days. I'm not sure about that, but yeah. So as usual, I'm gonna be taking a look at NVDA, but like I am not taking a trade unless I am sure that I want that price. I know which prices I want.
Okay.
For sure, as good prices, but I want to double check them because right now this is looking like a short to me. But
Okay.
we know how sketchy it has been, like a short. I still will have to wait for it to go to 87 something, and along I will still wait for it to go to 84 something. So more than that, I think it's just let's do the homework. So what are you looking at, Marie?
Well, if we're looking at our top relative volume, we've got BAC, that's number one. And then we've got GM. And we've got CRWV.
BAC is not regional, right?
Eh?
Bank of America is not a regional bank. I'm confused right now. Like I know JP Morgan is not, but
I don't think so.
Bank of America is quite a big bank, you know. It shouldn't be regional. Yeah, I don't think it's regional. So, but yeah, BAC, Bank of America. It's funny because yesterday the financial sector was a little bit weak, I will say. So, and we have BAC, and which one was your GM? General Motor. All right. Oh my God, this is still above $70. Oh my God. Like,
I don't see much on the tape.
what about GE? I have a long time ago taking a look at GE. What? Why is GE at $286? Wasn't that like during COVID, like at $11 or something like that? Yes, it was.
And it's what now?
286. Oh my God. And if you see, no, nobody talk about it. Like for a long time ago.
No kidding.
Oops. No.
And we also have, as we know, we have still those incredible deals going on right now with Warner Brothers, Netflix, and now Paramount, and the government getting involved.
Yeah. People are gonna put the, like I have to adjust this screen, so I'm just gonna take a little minute here. Yeah. It's incredible how everybody have a saying on that thing, you know? Everybody and their mother has something to say about the deal.
Incredible.
Normally, I don't know why the government is getting so involved into those deals, but like it's getting involved in the deals with Nvidia, which make more sense because of China microchips and things like that. But at the same time, it's like in Warner Brother Netflix deal, like why do you have to step on that? You know, like I mean, like
Well,
I see that the DOJ is making like making it harder apparently, like or there is like the deal is not done yet.
Yeah, they
So-
make it harder for Netflix And they
it's
would
just-
like to have Paramount,
Mhm.
so they're backing Paramount because Paramount said that they were going to.
Oh man, you know what I just find out that we have to look at AMC. You remember I told you those big company with a big legacy that they were trading like a penny stock like thing, like INTC. How Donald Trump came and rescued INTC. Like AMC is strategically related to Paramount, so
Oh, that's true.
so maybe you have double already. I don't know if I.
Good
If you take a
question.
look at that whenever you have the chance. I
Yes,
just gonna
I will.
adjust this thing. I have to. Okay, the clock. Market clock. There we go. I'm just fixing the screen on the top because it was a little bit funky. Watch list. There we go. Then positions. There we go. And the last one. There, this is the watch list. Charts and tapes. Okay, so let's see how those that look like. Yeah, perfect. It's back there. So SPY really pumping right now. So let's see, is that correct? Yeah, that seems to be correct. So all right. So do you have a trade?
Yeah.
Yes.
INTC.
You were ready there, you know. Right. So
Okay, so insane wick on SPY.
yeah, I'm trying to get some Nvidia. I say I have a clear price for me to go long. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I didn't get it by the penny, but there we go. We got it now. So we should be able to survive that trade. If you see how I can say I have the entry I want, is that pink line here.
Okay.
So which is my 400 moving average. I say when you see the 400 moving average, you are allowed to load the boat. Maybe this won't work, I don't know, but we're gonna see what happens. The tape, how is the tape looking like? No, I did not load the boat. I don't want to. I'm off, you know. I have been doing poorly, so I don't have the right to do that. There we go. Okay, you bounce from there or not? There is a trend line here. It's a major trend line. So because that came from the 15 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there we go. That's from the 15 minute. It's technically the upper trend. So, but it's not working that good right now. You know. We're gonna stay put there, but we're gonna have to be nimble. It is the right price action for me, so if it works, good. If it doesn't work, I'm not blaming myself for that one. It's going crazy, you know, Nvidia, and I have been telling Marie that I don't know how to read Nvidia for a behavior that is happening lately. And it's those upside, up and down, and like, there we go. It's gonna get me out. Almost there. Yeah, it's okay, I'm out. So let's see where we wanna take that bad boy again. If ever we're gonna take it, but like, So probably I will reload it right there, but I have to check the levels. Yeah, it should work. So I got a better price now, so let's see if we are able to survive. Spy is reacting positively, so
Mm-hmm.
this is Spy, so
Okay, so Spy is definitely gaining strength here.
mm-hmm. Which one you have? I didn't see it. You are looking long or short?
Long.
Nice.
What is Spy? So Spy is at the 200.
Yeah, if that trade there doesn't work, I don't know. I actually gonna do other. Like I will check other things, but just because this trade is not manifesting, like I think I have a good price. It's actually a better price than the price I wanted to get. So if that one doesn't work, I have to assume that I am wrong in the long. And let's see what do I find. So so a Spy. Yeah, I have to stay put on my trade, so I think I did the right thing. So I'm convinced that I didn't misbehave. So I just gonna wait, and if it get me out, I'm wrong, and that's it.
Here you go, right?
Yeah. Like I mean, like yesterday, I didn't have the base to say these things because I knew I was jumping into the trade too early. I was being uh, impatient. But today I wait for it. I analyze it. I say this is a good price. So if this is a good price, I don't see why we wouldn't go higher. Especially like if you see 183, 184, we have sizes at 184, we have sizes at 183.75, 183.50, 180. What is that? I see those are towards the downside. I'm reading it wrong, my guy. So the tape is looking weak. So I have to keep that in mind.
So SPY is interacting strongly with the 200 EMA.
And it pierced it by a lot. Do you think SPY is gonna go to all-time high today?
684.90. No,
No, you don't think
not
so?
yet.
Okay. I think there is a high chance. Oh my gosh. I have to do something I forgot.
You will?
I have to do something I forgot, so. Right, so let's see. How is your INTC?
Not manifesting. Well, not manifesting. Tape is slowly flipping. And what about you?
It's okay. It's moving, but like not a lot.
SPY RSI is quite strong.
Yeah. SPY is my hope right now because it's looking like if it wants to go higher, like look at the sizes of those candles from that bottom. So it's a pretty cool one. So
Agreed.
I'm gonna mute us for a little bit, but we're gonna be here. So if anything, just let us know. We for sure will. All right, everybody, we are back. So let's see what this market wants to do. SPY is really waggy there, so making really weird move toward the up and down.
I agree.
Yeah, like look at this. It's like barcoding SPY. Weird enough, but did you have a level at 684.90?
Let me see.
Because at 684.90 it rejected by the penny.
Let me go see. $684.60. And the biggest
very
position that
close,
we've got
actually.
on the tape, yeah, it's 684.60 still, and there is a position at 684.90 that's building.
Yeah, I have the 684.90. It rejected by the penny. That was the previous high.
I've never seen an order that big at 683.60 right now.
What is it? Sizes.
1010
On SPY?
SPY.
Wow.
So,
Let's take a quick look at that.
did you ever see that?
1,000 lot? No, for SPY.
And that's the view up. So what the heck is not the VWAP? I'm sorry, the PCL. Like that's insane. I've never seen that big.
Now the PCL is right there actually, so you could go there. But like the biggest I have seen is 600 something, and like even 600 you never across that.
It's building. It's going up.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no, it's still there. I thought it was gone.
Yeah, like
Maybe it's gonna, how do we say? Rappel?
yeah, from my experience, that's normally a order that don't get across.
Mm-hmm.
And if we get across, probably we are in big problems.
Right?
So
Because that's a huge one. Whoa.
and there we go.
It seems like it wants to walk from it. It doesn't want to go to it.
Like I have a long time that I don't see like stocks or ETF like running away from big orders. If
It's
you have
true.
seen like normally we get to them,
They get to. Yes, I agree. We fill them.
But you remember there was a time that we was repelling, so
Constantly, we kept saying, right? That was a regular discussion. Is it going to go there? Is it going to repel? Is it going to be filled? And then you actually see the order. They modify the order to get filled,
yeah.
right? They front run it and or back run it. Though SPY seems to be respecting or holding both VWAPs, the 50 and the 200. Man, is it whacking it. Like you say, it almost looks like barcoding.
Yeah, like that's very choppy there. So, but like
Mm-hmm.
because we have that big order there, I'm assuming that we cannot cross down.
Mm-hmm.
So, but let's see what it wants to do.
If it's going to be a golder.
Yeah, probably it could be. You know, like I mean, it's just like I know we have a long time trying to go for higher prices. That's why I bought Google. If not, I will hold back.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, like there is a lot of uncertainty. Like you know, like what is Fed gonna come and say about the, you know, like interest rate decision and things like that. So
Everybody's expecting a quarter, but hey.
yeah, what if we don't get it?
Mm-hmm.
Like
What is that going to do?
like the Fed is always in a very tight situation because I don't know if you have known, like if you have heard this, but in the past, like because of doing certain things, they were losing credibility. So if they do like those cuts, like and they say like certain things, they may lose credibility, and if they don't do it, they get crappy because they don't do it. You know, so like they are really under pressure from both ends.
Absolutely.
it's-
Though they do say that they're not influenced, but
Yeah,
political
And
pressure.
I agree. Like it looks like if they are not being influenced politically talking, because he haven't got the cut that he want to get. You know, like he got a little bit here, a little bit there because it was okay.
Mm-hmm.
But no, you didn't get the 9 times that you say you're supposed to get. No, it's like that's not how it works. So I have to take a little break, Marie.
Okay, boss.
Yeah, I'll be back on a bit. Yeah, this tray is looking okay, so let's see what we do. All right, we're back. Spy pulling back. At what price did you say that big order was?
Is it 683?
Oh, I see it. 683.60. So right there.
Very close. So it was a PCL almost.
So are we going to be able to survive? I
Oh
gonna
my
put a pull
God,
line
it's
there.
going to be filled.
He can probably go a little bit below there, but like if he goes through that and he doesn't do anything, we might be in problems. I don't know. Trouble. All right.
And there it is.
Yeah, very close. There we go. It's been front running like by a lot. But let's see how it, like that's gonna be crazy. We are actually watching it so we can come back and watch the tape. He disappeared right away, so I don't know if he got filled or not.
It had to.
Did he print 60?
Yeah. 59, I believe.
Let's see. Yeah, 58.5.
Look at how it's reacting to that, eh?
By the penny. That's a clean reaction, so.
What a big one. Wow. What a reaction.
You know what is my question right now?
No.
Is Nvidia gonna put another $5 toward the top side and then sell it off? Like, you have done it so many times that it's like,
Right?
what are
Look
you,
at
my
the
guy?
spy reaction to that order.
Why you are not buying Nvidia now, my guy? Like
Where's
the guy?
the coding?
Yeah, the coding is gone.
Where's the coding? Bye-bye, coding.
Bye-bye, la.
Bye-bye, love. It's so dry.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
quite right.
the lips,
Actually,
the
yeah,
hands,
my bad,
the-
my bad. I had to like, if I forget it, just because I need it that much. So,
Oh, the hands.
well, right now I'm touching my hair, so I'm gonna wait for it. By the way, I find that whatever test we did with the hair, it was a success. It succeed.
What you mean?
Like I was looking at my hair like closely, like it was this morning,
Okay.
and I find there has been a big improvement. At least in the front, in the back, I don't know because I cannot see as much.
Okay.
Like I know when I do like this, there's a little clear thing here,
Yeah, yeah.
but like in here is so I can see it for sure.
Oh, nice.
Like
Hey, that's a good news.
yeah, yeah. Like and to cut off using like too much products, you know, like washing your hair every day with shampoo is not a good thing apparently.
No. This is no. How do you say that? It's no. health advice or
Oh,
hygiene
yeah,
advice to
yeah.
anyone.
Yeah, like,
you know.
I remember watching a documentary on Netflix. I think it was in Explain It or something like that. It's like a, and they were explaining about all those products, and the guy that was talking there, he said he never washed with soap. I'm like,
Is he married?
yes, he was married,
Was or
I like-
still is?
and he was like, apparently he was very clean. So it doesn't mean you. I don't know, you know, I don't know. We don't want to get into those conversations, but yeah, like I use a lot of soap. Like that's why my hands are so dry. The temperature for sure too, but like wash my hands like 20 times per.
I think temperature has
A big one, no, for sure, yeah.
big. Okay.
La 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 long. Oh yeah.
Well, you know when I was saying the spy looks weird?
Yeah.
It looks weird.
The question is gonna be able to challenge the 684.94. I don't know why I think you want to go to all-time high, but I think so. And I don't think if it's not today, I would say like if I have to gauge it correctly, like according to what I see and not my emotional influence and whatever, I would say before Friday we are at all-time highs again. That's what I would say. But
Again, this is no financial advice.
this is not financial advice, yeah. For
We like to gauge
Yeah.
and predict a little bit, right? Make
Yeah.
some bets on
yeah, it's
them.
just having fun, like
Mhm.
like
We bet on them and say,
yeah.
When we're looking at the sector map,
Do you want to do something funny as an observation point?
sure.
Let's put a line. Like the line is actually there, but I can put a note and a funky figure there, just for us to know when we come back to challenge that price that had 1,000 lot. You know why I will say that? Because when we were determining like how low the market can go, it was in a very bad news. It was tariff related and all those things, and we went down. And like the lot that prevented from going down was like like on a spy, let's say
Yeah, 680.
600, and we never came back to that.
No,
Never came back.
maybe that's the.
So our question here will be like, hey Mary, you know we saw that happening there, and can we see if this is a reliable thing? Like because with 600 we never came back, we are now assuming, I am assuming, that with 1,000 lot it should never come back. So do we want to put that number and say,
and put that line down.
yeah, like when it happened and what it did, and like, you know what, 2 months later we look, hey, we never came back there.
I like that one.
It could be a healthy observation.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm glad that you see a difference, Stevie.
Yeah, like, yeah, no, yeah, it was definitely a good job.
Well,
Like-
it was like, right?
Huh?
It was your call.
It was my call, but you did the job. So, and then I just have been massaging it. Like that's why I
Shoot,
touched it a lot. It's
what
not
if
because I have
that's
a fetish.
the?
I think it's both things.
You think so?
But like if you want, like later, you can look at it like closer and like it's like what?
I like that. Okay, so now there's a big position, Davy, of 750,
Where?
684.
You know how it looks like in my head? Chasing it.
The other one was filled.
Yeah, but that's what I mean.
But
Oh.
now,
I know this is gonna go to Wahoo. Let's buy 1,000 here, 700 there. You know? That's one of the beauty of the tape. Like, how can you see that order when you don't even have like? Actually, I see right now like there is a big volume bar.
at that level?
Where you got filled before, yes.
Okay.
Like look at the.
Wow,
look
it's got
at-
a big volume bar. No
Yeah,
kidding.
look
Is
at
that
those.
a fake bar? But what I mean is that now it's a good thing that you said, hey, let's put that price out. Because imagine seeing that and you say, well, no, that's a price that agrees. No, it's one guy that came in and just put that volume bar right there.
Yeah, when you say one guy, it could
Well,
be a
you know
one
I'm-
institution. It could be the.
Okay, one
the
order
trend, yeah.
came in and landed that bar.
And more importantly, what did I say when it was going on? If we back up the streaming, we will see that I say it's
Okay.
been front run a lot, and still it got filled. But like everybody in front of him got filled too. So we have solid volume there to go somewhere else. It's just like will it manifest? You know, this market is being a little bit funky here and there, so we have to still like be nimble. Look how the VWAP is crossing the 400 moving average. The 200 moving average, 1 minute is crossing almost the 200 in the 5 minute. So, that was a good observation, Maria, I will say, for saying the least.
What observation?
Your observation of the Thousand Lot, because
Oh,
you know I have a tendency to not look at the SPY tape anymore. I look at SPY, but I don't look at SPY tape as much. So
yeah. For me, it kind of helps me to say, hey, where are we going right now when we see the participation? Though it's a very small, right? That's a limited view because we don't have all of the tapes.
something
Right?
that
Not
that
all of the books are available,
to us,
except for the print. But
they are available, but it will
no,
cost-
but what I mean are
will cost
available
way
to
more.
us. Yeah, we don't have the resources at this moment.
to have
Either the
all-
resource to follow it or the resource to have them.
yeah. But yeah, like what I was going to say.
It goes by.
Oh yeah, another. As I say, this is not a financial advice. This is just conversation between Maria and I that we want and we like to have them because they are interesting and at some point they have some value. But like, yeah, it's not a financial advice. I think that due to the nature of the orders book, it's one of those days where some of the equity, probably including a SPY, is gonna finish the day at the best price of the day. Like let's say even if it doesn't reach the high of the all-time high today, let's say, it will
It'll
be
be
probably able to keep going, cranking up during
past
the afternoon
685.
and
Okay.
finish like at the best price of today.
So that would be 685 up. That could be, because right now we do have big orders around there too.
nice.
So that could be a good one. We've got a mix, again, I know I've said that before, but it's a mixed sector map. In all of them. So we've got, as an example, when we're looking at semiconductor, we've got NVIDIA down, AVGO down, but AMD's up and MU is up. So same with software, we've got Microsoft down, Oracle down, but PLTR is up.
Could you believe that Nvidia print 190 during the pre-market?
No.
That was insane. Like I can show it here. No, 190. No, it went 190, 93, 96.
And look at it now.
Yeah, it's $6 down.
And that's what you were talking about, right?
Yeah, it's like
Is it gonna go $4 down, $5 down, $5 up, like it did the previous day?
yeah,
right?
like. Have you seen a video that is going around of the Palantir CEO that he got a little bit funky in an interview?
No.
And people
What's a
didn't
funky?
like. Oh, I can show it to you. It's I have to say it is very weird, like whatever he was doing, but like he's known for being colorful too. So and it's just like I saw it and I said, why is and in the interview he said, I hope I'm annoying you as much as I was annoying you 10 years ago.
No.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, I will show you. He was sick. I said like, what? I first time I saw it, I said, oh, that might be an AI thing, and it's just fake, and they're having fun. And he's like, no, What? What's up? We're back.
Yeah, it could be the friction.
What friction? Of my hair?
And look at Spy. What's your price for NVIDIA?
184.09.
No problema. God.
Cool. I'll be back. In a
And
second.
I'm just thinking of myself that I know what I'm going to do this afternoon.
I didn't mute. I didn't took the break. So I just gonna go for it. You are in the channel, so keep people entertained.
Well, I really like what Spy is doing at this moment because it seems like we're both in along. So. So Spy right now.
So, spy. I'm gonna put that note right now. Text.
Okay, Spy going through.
Can you tell me precisely at what time Spy did the print? of the, like, if you, it's okay, I can use,
Yeah.
like it's, that print was at 10:48 a.m.
Correct.
Then 48 a.m. There we go.
So the predictions are already true, right? So it's printed well above.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's
Well, you said printed higher than the highest high, and it's well above.
finish the day
Oh!
at the best price of the day. The closing is
the
the highest price of the day.
Okay, so you're saying PCL. I just thought you said print. That I'm not sure.
I know. That's why it was speculative. You look like an old lady. La 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 la. Oh, oh, lady. Gertrudis. Pourquoi, mon ami, pourquoi?
So we've got three orders that are pretty much close. 685.80, 686.10, 686.40, and then 686.70. So
Then what I want to do, I want to open this one. I'm just adding the ADRs that I have told you I want to do it from long ago. And
oh yes, yes.
I keep forgetting to do that, so
Mm-hmm. Okay. We've got a little bit of a level there. Competitive tape. Competing tape. How would you rate your patience today?
Oh, pretty good. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What about yours?
Good. I believe good. I don't know if I've got a full bucket. How do we say? That I would be fully replenished, that I would be an endless bucket. Some days I do have endless bucket. I don't know if today would be an endless bucket.
Understood.
Because I'm looking at right now, I'm in RX and I'm like, There's a level right there and I'm like, buh, I want to get out. I have a really good price. So I know I'm able to survive a lot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see you have pretty much the view up on this morning.
Well, just like you had a really good price for Nvidia.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, as I say, we know, like at the point we are, good or bad traders that we are, either of them is like we kind of know when we have a good price or not because it's just show it. So I'm like,
And you can see us too, right? That we're sitting there, we're reading, we're so involved that you could probably chop wood on our shoulders. And then though, when we've got a good price, it's like, well, okay.
yeah.
Wake me up when it's done.
Yeah, like for example, if I have to speak out loud what is on my head about this trade, it's like because of what I have been doing lately, like my question is it gonna repeat it today? It have done it every day. Like it have done it every day very early. Yesterday it did it very late. So is Nvidia wanting to move that much? Right now it's not manifesting actually, it's lagging behind SPY. But we know that the participation that we have on Nvidia is very dissociated. It's like alone. It's no. This buyer is showing up whenever he wants to show up, and he's doing whatever he wants to do. And we know he have enough because he's able to push the stock $5 higher, and then people sell it $5 lower. Today it's actually almost $7 down, and like. if you were buying that much, being that high, I guess that now you are is Vanguard, like how you say it, when it's a very cheap price, it's like
Bargain.
bargain. Yeah, it's like
Bargain.
why are you not showing up in there? Well, like I think he will show. It's just like that's what I think. But like I have the actual question: he show? If he doesn't show, the trade is not gonna go anywhere. But if he show, hey, we can probably go back above 191.
Look at how SPY's reacting to those levels
Yeah,
that we have here.
yeah,
I'm sure it's the same levels you've got.
It's like I have the 684.94,
Mm-hmm.
which was the previous high by the penny, and now yeah, I will be expecting it to hold there. I don't have much levels because I erased everything a couple days ago,
Mm-hmm.
and I have been plotting them like day by day.
Mine was 683.60, 684, 685.20.
Didn't it went like 685.20? Like yeah, it went 685.20. Hold it for a bit. Now going down. But look at the RSI. Like the RSI is gonna meet the 50 point. Like in the 1 minute, it's gonna meet the 50 RSI. Right on top of the previous level, which is the one 684.90. So I'm expecting a clean bounce from 684.90. And Nvidia, like let's say if we step out of Nvidia a bit, like
Okay.
if we zoom out, not step out. If we zoom out, right now Nvidia is fighting with what is the downtrend, like the top of the downtrend. Like if I go 15 minutes here, and I just plot a line here, let's say from what looks like the top. So that was previously, but then it accelerate. And oh yeah, it's above already. Okay. Yeah, it's above. So it escaped already.
Did it?
Yeah, it did escape already. So the tape is not looking pretty. That's for sure. SPY flushing a bit. I see it went inside the 184.90.
Did you want to wrap it up, Davey?
Yeah, for sure. Let's do that. And this trade might hold it. Let's see. very soon I'm gonna be breaking even because very soon it won't make any sense that I take a loss on it. So yeah, right now today I only trade Nvidia, and though I haven't made any money, I actually like I have a loss like and I can pay back now, but like I don't want to do it because I think the trade have a lot of potential. So though that is like that, like PNL wise, it's not that attractive right now. We are definitely we did good. I mean, like I bought the 400 moving average, which is on my strategy all the time. So I either toward the long or the short, it is a good price to go with what we think is going on there. Then I got stopped out here by the penny pretty much, and then I say, you know what, that was a good week here. So I reloaded. I just bought it back right away, the same amount of shares. So yeah, and like now it's just let's see if it really wants to go up. And there's a lot of contamination because of I have 2 red days because I was taking poor prices, and that's one thing. And the other is there is a lot of contamination because I have seen Nvidia doing a weird behavior for about 7 days now, maybe 8.
Mm-hmm.
And like I'm expecting that rare behavior to manifest again. Is it going to happen? I don't know. And yeah, more than that, like a good trading day as a execution. So we can work on that for sure and improve it. But like I have no complaints about my trading today. So I like what I did, and that was the plan. So that's it for me. As I say, red right now, but I can be flat if I want, but I think the trade have potential. What about you, Maria? I know you were trading INTC when we opened.
Yes, so I traded INTC. That's my only red today. So INTC kept seeing it long, and as you see, for INTC to be that rangy right there.
Yeah, it's very rangy.
Very, very rangy. So when I saw the pop this morning and went up past 41.25, I said, ooh, now we're talking strength. I love this. Sadly, I jumped in the trade. So I jumped in the trade reactionary at 40.75. Then I bettered my price. At one point, my price was 40.50. But even at
Yeah, you just keep going down. Then.
yeah, it kept going down. And that's where I got out actually. It's when it made a lower low. So I said, yeah, you know what? I'm not liking how it's doing, especially when SPY is so strong. Usually INTC we can see some alignment with
like
SPY. And when SPY popped up and INTC did nothing at 10 o'clock, I said, yeah, you know what? Let's back up. So we got out of the trade. That was my only red trade. And now I am in RX. So RX, I was able to have it I went in at 470.
You got a good price there.
And I'm still holding. I did take a partial at 483. And so now we'll see where it's going. It seems to be now escaping.
Did you notice that you took your partial exactly at the 200 moving average?
Okay, no, for me, my 200 is not there.
Yeah, like it's the 5 minute 500, like the moving average.
Okay, let me go in the 5.
No, you have
No.
a exponential.
Yeah, I've got exponential.
Yeah, I have a.
So for me, it's not. Oh, well, good. So now we've got
Let's
that
see,
going. I'm thinking we've
Yes,
got the
it is.
huge position at $5 even, and then we've got the biggest position at 5.20. So I'm really looking forward. I'm hoping, anyways, that it is going to be popping there.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Well, you see that candle there?
Oh,
It's
that
like-
candle's beautiful.
Yeah.
But when we're looking at that candle, when you're looking at it has been almost caught and barcoding now. 10:30, it's almost an hour, right? So I'm liking what it's doing right now. But when I was talking about patience, that's slow. So, yeah, and that's it for me.
Understood.
SPY seems to be, just as a closer, SPY seems to be doing pretty high at 680, 670. And you?
That's it. I have nothing to say. So thank you everybody for being there. Thank you everybody for watching. And yeah, we're gonna be here tomorrow. I hope everybody enjoyed their day. And yeah, bye.
Bye.